Technology is an integrated part of our everyday lives. It affects how we communicate, how we shop, how we are entertained, and most importantly, how we learn. If used properly, technology will help students acquire skills that they will need to survive in the future. So why use technology in the classroom? Well, studies prove the inclusion of technology makes learning more fun. It prepares the students for the future. It helps students learn at their own pace and improves retention rate. But most of all, students connect with technology. As technology is becoming a greater part of children's life outside of school, it seems only fitting that we bring this technology into the way we teach. This integration will ensure students possess the knowledge and skills for the future, where using this can provide them a range of open pathways. Some software programs that can be easily incorporated into the classroom are Taggle, Comic Life, Excel Graphing, and Kahoot. Today I will explore these software programs and look into how they can be used as vehicles of learning. Taggle is an online word cloud generator. It allows users to type in words or short sentences, with the option to enlarge certain words as the focus of the cloud. Users are also given the option to choose a shape that the words can be published in. Taggle is a great visual tool that can be used in classrooms from Prep to Year 6. It can be used either by the teacher on an interactive whiteboard or by individual students. Students with diverse learning needs, as well as English as an additional language or dialect, will be enthralled with this program, as they will not need to worry about word order, grammar, and punctuation, as the program randomly generates the order the words appear. A possible use is with Year 2 students looking into nouns. When these concepts are introduced to students, a class could create a word cloud looking at the different types and examples of each. These could then be printed and glued into students' books, or made into posters and displayed around the room for students to reflect back on.
The thing I like the most is there's lots of designs.
Do you think you could use this in the classroom?
Yeah.
I have chosen to explore this software as they have the chance to create a visual representation of a particular learning subject. Students are able to highlight important components of a learning area. Taggle is a great classroom tool that allows students to take control of their learning and to create their own text. This software is a great way to assist visual learners as well as diverse learners. Comic Life can be used just about anywhere, from Macs to PCs to iPads. It explores a wide range of different text types. Comic Life is stimulating and engaging, and it can be incorporated across all curriculum areas and over a variety of year levels. It caters for diverse learning styles as it has many templates for students to use. Through scaffolding with the class, students have a guide as to what to include when it comes to their learning. So you just use Comic Life. What do you think you could use it for in the classroom?
Assignments, like for if we're doing tests, and explain planets or anything really.
Yes. The Australian Curriculum Digital Technologies state that over the year levels, students need to be able to describe how a range of digital systems, like hardware and software, and their peripheral devices can be used to meet specific purposes. Comic Life provides students the opportunity to do this. It is a great tool for visual and kinesthetic learners, as they are able to use visual representations and activities to reinforce a particular learning area. Excel gives users the option of creating a graphic presentation of information and collected data through tables and graphs. As a teaching tool, this program is essential in the classroom as it reduces the difficulty of plotting data. Excel's ability to produce charts and graphs in seconds makes it easy to quickly demonstrate relationships between numbers, as well as comparing data between multiple variables. Students can also see how different types of graphs and charts can be used to represent the same series of data. This program is suited to visual learners as they prefer to learn through visual representations of presented material.
I like that it's easy to use.
Kahoot is a free online program that allows users to create quizzes, discussions, and surveys. It can be used to introduce a new subject or as a form of assessment. It initiates peer-led discussions that has students captivated. These quizzes are best played in a group setting. The teacher can create a quiz on any learning area and have the code displayed on the screen, where students using another device can enter the code and join the game. This program can be used on any device from laptops to iPads to smartphones. Is it a cube, a sphere, a triangular prism, or a cone?
I liked the shapes because they were a bit hard, but I've learned a lot now of the shapes.
For those children who are fast finishers and require extension activities, You could organise for them to have a book to write questions and answers for the current learning area. These students could then be given the opportunity to create their own quiz for the rest of the class to complete. This gives students the chance to take control of their own learning. This program is great for both kinesthetic and auditory learners, as they'll be learning through activities as well as taking part in discussions. After exploring these 4 open-ended software programs, it has really shown me that teaching has changed over the years. From what used to be reading from a text is now very hands-on, and students are actively involved in their own learning. It allows for more adjustments and modifications for diverse learners. Through the incorporation of technology in the classroom, students are able to take control of their learning to ensure that they are getting the best possible education.